Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Instagram trending small ratio reel video editing using Inshot video editor. Okay, first of all, make sure that you have installed Inshot application on your mobile phone, and then you're going to create a new project. You can choose video and then choose new, and then I'm going to choose the blank clip. Okay, and wait guys, let me delete or remove the watermark. Okay, done. And then I'm going to extend the duration, and we're going to change the ratio guys. Go to the canvas and then choose this ratio, 9:16 ratio, which is suitable for Instagram reel. And then I'm going to go to the PIP, and I'm gonna go to the material because I don't have any footage to be edited, and I'm going to choose this video, and then I'm going to make it full. Okay, and I'm going to cut the video here guys to make the process faster, and we're going to make it small by cropping the video. Go to the crop menu, and then I'm going to select this ratio. You can use this ratio to make it smaller, okay, like this, and then you can choose the part that you want to use. Oops, sorry, I changed the ratio. All right, and I'm just going to use this part like this, and then you can add another video. You can click on this PIP, and then I'm going to add this video, and we can make it full like this, and then again we're going to crop it, and you can click on this pencil icon to customize the resolution, and I'm going to make it same with the previous video. Okay, actually you can modify the ratio according to your needs, but remember that you need to make them same. Okay, and let's play it guys. And to make it more captivating, you can add tags and then filter and effect. And I'm going to add text. I'm going to type in my journey like this, and we can make it small. Okay, and I'm going to play it guys, and I'm going to add like animation to my text. I'm gonna add this and also this. Okay, and let's see. Okay, done. Okay guys, and that's all the video for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.